Hey guys, again you're with us in the traders. Hi, nice to see you again. Today I'm gonna talk to you about 3 ways to go short. You probably heard this word short selling, how to do short selling or what it means. So today I'm gonna explain you what is short and how you can make money of it, and also how to avoid losing money because not doing it right. So stay with us and we'll continue. Hi guys, again you're with me with Noam. I'm from the traders. Nice to see you again. Today we're going to talk about short selling, go short, and a lot of other ways to rephrase it and what it means. So first, what is short? I'll explain it in a short way. If you want to understand even in more exponential, what is short and how to make money of it, you can go to my other video, what is short selling. Then I'm here to explain you the 3 ways to go short and how you can make money in these 3 ways specifically. So going short, it means like you probably know what it means go long. Go long is buying stock and wait something to happen. Also, if you buy an option, to buy the option, hope it will go up and get into the money, and then you can take the money and cash it and change it to the stock itself. So if we actually go long, we'll probably look for the market to go up. Short first means that we'll hope that the money goes up. Sounds simple, but as I said, there are 3 ways to go short, which are different, and we need to understand how you can make money of it. So first thing that we can make money by going short, it's intraday. All right, intraday. What is intraday? Intraday means that in the start of the day you open a short position on a stock, and in the end of the day you have to close to cash it. All right, it means that you don't go overnight. It means that you don't need to pay interest, and no one will ask you to pay something on it because you took the loan, or you borrow the stock, because you don't need to borrow it. All right, what it means borrow it, I'll explain in the next few minutes in other examples here. First, you need to understand the intraday. Intraday means that if you are open your account to do short selling on stocks, all you need to do is, instead of buying stocks, just push the button of the short. All right, instead of buying, just push the button of the selling intraday. All right, it means that until the end of the day, you have to close your position. Why it's good, why it's bad? The good is if you think that there are going to be a down or decrease in the market in this day, in this specific day, because there's something that Trump is gonna say, or there's something that Jerome Powell is gonna say, or you think that this stock is going to find something bad in the report, they have a financial report to show, and you believe they're going to be bad, so you probably need to open a short position intraday. All right, so the good thing is that if the report will be bad, or Powell will say something that will be bad for the company, the stock probably gonna decrease in a few percent. So if you did the intraday, you open the position in the start of the day, or sometime in the day that you think it's the right time. Maybe the stock is up in the start of the day of 1% or 2% or even 10% up. By the way, it's something that you can do. If a stock is up 10% in the day, all right, let's say you bought Amazon, and after 2 hours of trading, the company is up 10% because something happened. Then you decide that 10% is too high for the news that they just got, and you believe it will probably end in 5% increase. Then you open short in here, short selling here, and if in the end of the day it closes in 5%, you already got a profit of 5% after all commissions. You know how much is it, but 5%. But if it goes up, let's say to 12%, you will be in a loss of 10% loss, right? So this is an intraday position. This is how you can make money with it, or how to avoid losing money. Second way is open a short selling position. Short selling position. What is the difference between intraday and a short selling position? Intraday, as it's called, it's intraday. During the day, you can open the position, but you have to close it until the end of the day. If not, the broker is gonna give you some problem with that. Probably he can also close it by his decision, not waiting for your order. If you're not gonna close it till the end of the day. But in short selling, it means you borrow the stock from other holder, and then you can short sell it by yourself in some price, and then you have to bring it back to buy it back and bring it back for him. For example, if you saw that at the start of the trading, after the issuance of Lyft, all right, you saw that it rise in the first day 20%. 20% in the first day, and you believe that this stock is short, right? You need to call your broker, depend on which platform you work, but most of it, you'll have to call your broker and tell him, I want to borrow Lyft stocks. And the borrow, it means that you also need to give it back in the future, but first you need to borrow. The broker finds some other investor that's holding the stock and would agree to give you the stock as a borrow. So I'll give you the stock, and you decide that now you can hold it a few days, or not even hold it, just sell it from start. But you decide that if it's in a price of 100 now, it started in 100, then it goes up 20%. You believe it's too high, now it's on 120. Decide, all right, this is the time to go short selling and sell the stock in 120. And then the stocks start to collapse because everyone thinks it's too high, the hype is moved on, no one really believes that Lyft is a good company. Then the price decreasing to 80. All right, so now you have profit of almost 40%, 45%, something like that. From 120 to 80, something to 40, like 40%. You already have profit of 40%, and then you decide to close the position. But for closing the position, you need to give back to the broker the stock that you already borrowed from him. So what you need to do, you have to buy it. But you're gonna buy it in 80. You buy it. If there is no really lots of trading in this kind of stocks, Lyft is not like that for the example, but let's say you have a penny stock there is not much trading, it might rise from 80 to 85 or something like that, while you buy all the shares that you borrowed, and then you need to give it back to your broker, and then you close your position, and you make money from 120 to 85, sort of, right? But this is short selling position. First you need to borrow your stocks, then you need to wait the stock to rise, or just start selling immediately. It's not really matter. The only important thing is that you took the stock as a borrow, and you can sell it in which price you want. If after a while you see that it's just going down and down and down, and you say, oh, well, you don't see any reason to sell it anymore, you can take the stocks and give it back, the shares, and give it back to the broker, and you didn't have any profits or any losses, unless some fees that you have to pay in this kind of occasion. So this is short selling, not intraday. It's opening a position for a long term or a mid term, depends. And the other way to go short is just wait. All right. Why wait? Why I'm going to talk about waiting? Because it means that you don't really have to be active all the time. It's not mean that you always have to buy or sell. It's also smart thing to wait. If you believe that this stock is gonna get down, but you're not sure, you can wait. You can wait for the right time, for the right position, to a good resistance point, to a good jumping point, to a good bounce. to the right bounce. It's not mean that you always need to short sell if you think the stock is gonna get down, not intraday, not midterm day, not mid-time day. All right, you can also watch the stock, right, from the side, and if it goes down, you didn't lose any money, but if it goes up, you also didn't lose any money. Which means that you have profit in this occasion. So don't run and just buy without thinking about it. So to summarize what we're talking about, 3 ways to go short. All right. First, you can do it intraday without talk with your broker. Just decide that this stock is gonna get down in the start and start selling it in some point. At the end of the day, you have to close your position. Second way is short selling. Talk to your broker and gotta borrow of shares of some company and start selling it whenever you want. After that, you have to buy it again in the market and take the shares and give it back to the broker. By the way, if you are a holder of stocks, you can lend them to other investors. You can give them as a borrow if they want to short selling or it's not, but just you need to understand that you can't do anything with them with this kind of shares because you don't really have them. You already give them as a borrow, but you can call them back to you. And the third way is waiting. Very important to understand that you can wait. If I missed any other way that you can go short, please give me a comment and let me know about it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, give me a like, or just if you like it. If you didn't like the video, you don't have to, you can push the dislike button. But if you push the like button, try to do it very strong. Give a boost to YouTube.